wish I could rewind, baby.
That's enough of that. Hey dolls. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something green. I'm feeling green. I don't know why. I don't know if this is gonna be the setup that I'm always gonna have. This is just like, I don't know, this is my living room and my mom's definitely not gonna let me film in here, but she's not home today, so yeah, let's just get started with the video. I'm so glad that I'm actually freaking not napping right now. This is after school on a Wednesday evening. Sister would usually be in bed dead asleep by now, but I decided to go for it and to actually film. Thank you guys so much for 225 subscribers. The goal was to get 200 by the end of August, and we surpassed that goal greatly, and it's still August 29th, and I think there's still like a day or two left. So that's fucking dope. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's just get started with the tutorial because I don't want this video to be like a fucking hour long. To be dead ass, if my brows didn't turn out good today, I probably wouldn't have been filming, so never mind, let me stop talking. Also, I sound like absolute shiznit because I'm really sick, like actually like deathly, fatally sick. Green used to be like one of the ugliest colors to me, but now for some reason I fucks with green super heavy. I don't know why, but I've just suddenly like been in a green mood. So today we're gonna do some green. I'm going to go in with the darkest green in the Jaclyn Hill palette. When do I not use this palette in my videos? Literally when? Tell me. Never. I'm always using this. So I'm gonna use this green right here. This shit is. I am just going to gently pack that right there. Oh my god, so at my school we're doing this thing called Assassins, and it's basically a huge water gun fight, but it's like against so many people, and if you win like a bunch of money. But the thing is, it's scary because people will literally find out your personal information, such as your address, where you work, what time you get off of work, stuff like that, just so that they can win this money. I mean, since like the water gun fight is in like groups, you have to split the profit between like 4 to 5 people. I'm scared because I walk home after school and someone can like easily just snag me right then and there, and then my group would be so pissed. So I'm literally terrified for my life, but it's all Gucci. Can someone tell me if it's fall or not? I don't know. Like seasons, never heard of her. Like I don't know when seasons end, when they start. Like I dead ass don't have a single clue. Like I saw someone post a fall makeup tutorial and I was like, is it fall? Like is it fall? Hurt. I cut my fingers, so I have band-aids on both of my fingers. Look super trashy, but sorry. I literally cut my fingers and they feel like they have been severed off. Also, I'm literally crying. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought I was playing when I said I was obsessed with Vampire Diaries. Sister, this isn't a game. This is my favorite show. I've watched the show already and I'm rewatching it, and there's like 8 seasons. Let's go in with the deepest green in the Take Me Back palette. At first, after I bought this, I was like, oh my god, this is so trash. Why did I get this? And now that I've like adapted to how the shadows work, this is my shit. Like I love this palette so much. But okay, I'm gonna go in with this green right here. It's like a turquoisey greeny. I'm going with a Morphe M50 itchy 7, and I'm just going to gently buff out the edges here. We want to create a gradient effect. I can't stop thinking about that one Vine where he's like, Bethany, I made biscuit.
What? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuit!
I know a lot of people say Vine is overrated, yada. But sister, I fudge with Vine. I love Vine so much. I absolutely love Vine, and I want it to come back. And they said Vine 2's coming out. Whatever, like, sis, is it actually though? Okay, can we talk about social anxiety? I think I have that. I think I have social anxiety because literally I can't even speak out loud in front of the class. I swear, I get so anxious. Like in my English class, we do this thing where we go up to the board and we answer a question, and when someone's like has to pick someone to go up, I'm literally like, don't come over here, don't look at me, don't touch me, don't. Like, I have social anxiety. And it's so weird because it's only sometimes. Like, sometimes I'm like totally chill about it. I'm like, I don't give a fuck, give me the marker, let me go up there real quick. And then sometimes I'm like, please, like please don't come over here. I'm gonna go in with this green. This green is so pretty. I'm thinking of getting acrylics. I don't know though, because when I get acrylics, I can never like properly apply my eyelashes, and that's always garbage. But I want to get them because I want to be all, you know, we'll see. I'm gonna go in with this leprechaun. Reminds me of Nile Horn green. Such a pretty green, by the way. I don't know, I love green lately. It's just been such a good color. And I'm gonna go higher up, and I'm gonna blend that up there. My friend told me I have Asian eyes. Is that true? Like, do I have Asian eyes? I mean, I don't think, I didn't find it offensive, but he was like, you have Asian eyes. I was like, but do I really? I personally don't think I do. My sister says I have bugaboo eyes. I don't think I have bugaboo eyes either. Like, y'all just tripping. Okay, I need to buy a new eyeshadow palette because I'm getting really bored of the palettes I have now. So if you have an eyeshadow palette that you really do genuinely love, comment it down below so I can check it out. Don't have it some like boring ass palette with like neutrals, or though. Do I look like I want a palette with neutrals? Like, don't, if it has neutrals, like, that's chill. Like, sometimes I frick with neutrals, but make it like a cute palette, like a palette that's like actually really good quality, but like in a good price range, but like not boring. That is what I'm looking for, sis. If you can recommend me one of those, that would be greatly appreciated. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the smallest bit of yellow. I always find a way to incorporate yellow in my eye looks. Like, there's never a time when I'm not trying to add a little bit of yellow in a look. I realize that I've been buying all these huge blending brushes, but my eyes are small. It's like, does my brain work? Like, why am I buying, literally buying the biggest blending brushes I can possibly buy? This is a whole ass blending, like an eye blending brush. When my eyes are this small, like, am I kidding? To tie it in, it's not done yet. We're gonna do glitter liner, which I'm actually super anxious for because I always try to do glitter liner. It never turns out the best, but we're gonna attempt it today. We're gonna conquer our fears. But I'm gonna go back in with the green. This green is called Enchanted. Yeah, like a smidget of that on the same brush that I've been using for literally every shade, which I'm gonna blend that right there, kind of just rounding it off at the end of the eye, blending it into that turquoise green a little. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, I'm just really creating an ombre. Like, the goal is to be an artist. And then I'm actually going to cover this patch of skin with the same green.
Treasure, come back inside!
Am I going crazy, or does one of the eyes look different? Okay, I did the other eye. I know it doesn't look the best right now, but it all comes together in the end, sisters. This eye always looks a little bit badder than this eye, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. But I am gonna do, but I am gonna do pink glitter liner, but I'm gonna be smart about it this time. I'm gonna use the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Halo, which is just the yellow one, and I'm gonna map out how I'm going to do the wing before I put liner on it. This isn't the color of the liner, or of the, what? This isn't the color of the glitter, but we're just gonna use it as like training wheels because sister is really not that great at makeup. I look like a Ninja Turtle. I look like a Ninja Turtle. Dog, I can't find the fucking glitter. Where did I put it? Is it even gonna look good? Yeah, no. Love that for me. Spent 5 minutes looking for this glitter and I don't even want to use it anymore. I'm gonna go find a different pink glitter because this one's too dark for my liking. Instead, I went and got the bulk glitters in Pink Kisses. I'm gonna use the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm gonna take a little boop. Okay, that's way too much, first of all. I love being a wasteful queen. That took so long. I didn't even film it. I couldn't even film it. It took so long. I couldn't even be in frame while I was filming it. I was literally like all over the place. So, it looks mediocre. I'm gonna add lashes. Also, look. I'm gonna add lashes. The lashes I'm gonna use are in the style Demi G, I think, by Koko lashes. Oh, that reminds me. I got a code with Dodo lashes. Go use the code julianaa.reyes to get 5% off of any pair of lashes on Dodo lashes website. Not on any pair of lashes, on your entire order. You can get 5% off. Help a sister out if you want to. I mean, you don't have to use a code. Like, you don't have to, but it's just like a suggestion. To be honest, I can't tell if I put these on backwards or not. I look scary without the lower lash line done. Like, I look like a snake. So we're gonna do the lower lash line. First, I'm gonna take yeller, and then I'm gonna take this light green right here. Then on the outer corners, I'm gonna go in with the darker teal green. And then I'm gonna do lips. For lips, I'm gonna, why did I say it like that? I'm gonna do lips. Tiramisu lip liner by Rimmel London and the Colourpop WEHO lip gloss. There you have the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every week, or I try to. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.